63 kgs of plastic Dinu will give 693 rupees. तो 63 kg प्लास्टिक के लिए किरण को 693 रुपीज़ दिए, लेकिन किरण bought 1 kg of plastic for ₹10 and sold 1 kg of plastic for ₹11. अब जो डिफरेंस कितना आया, किरण ने 10 रुपये में तो लिया था और उसने 11 रुपये में बेचा, लेकिन उसको फ़ायदा कितना हुआ, 1 ही रुपये का फ़ायदा उसको 1 kg प्लास्टिक बेचने में हुआ. हाउ मच मनी डज शी अर्न बाय सेलिंग 1 kg ऑफ प्लास्टिक. तो उसको कितना मिला, 1 रुपी ही उसको मिला. कैसे उसको 1 रुपी मिला, दैट इज़ योर 11 - 10 इज इक्वल टू 1. जितने में उसने सेल किया दैट इज़ 11 रुपीज़, और जितने में उसने खरीदा था वो 10 रुपीज़ था. सो दिस इज़ हर सेलिंग प्राइस एंड दिस इज़ हर कॉस्ट प्राइस. तो इसमें डिफरेंस कितना हुआ, 1 रुपी का ही उसको फ़ायदा हुआ. तो उस 1 kg में उसको 1 रुपीज़ का फ़ायदा हुआ. तो 63 kg प्लास्टिक बेचने में उसको कितने रुपीज़ का फ़ायदा हुआ, दैट इज़ 63 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 1 is equal to 63 rupees. By selling 63 kgs of plastic, she earned rupees only 63. Now we move on to page number 66. Now Kiran sells 32 kgs of iron. Now she what price she took the iron? She took the iron for ₹22. I think it is written here. So 22 अगर हम काउंट करते हैं तो 22 रुपीज़ में आयरन उसने जंक कलेक्टर से लिया था. Now what is the price that Dinu is giving for the iron is, iron he is giving 24 rupees. 24 रुपीज़ में आयरन वो दीनू जो है किरण से खरीद रहा है. तो सबसे पहले हमको ये कॉस्ट निकालनी है कि how much Dinu will pay for 32 kgs of iron. That means 32 multiplied by 24. 32 multiplied by 24 वो आएगा. और किरण buys 1 kgs of iron for ₹22 but sells it at 24. तो किरण को 1 kg आयरन जो है उसने 22 रुपीज़ में लिया था और बेचेगी 24 में. तो उसको 1 kg में कितना प्रॉफिट हुआ, 2 रुपीज़ का प्रॉफिट हुआ. So how much she is going to get by selling, so how much Dinu is going to pay? Dinu is going to pay 768 rupees. 32 multiplied by 24, that is 768 rupees. Now उसने 1 kg आयरन जो है 24 रुपीज़ में बेचा, खरीदा 22 रुपीज़ में था, तो उसको 1 kg पर जो है 2 रुपीज़ जो उसको मिले. So how much money does she earn by selling 32 kgs of iron? 1 kg पे उसको 2 रुपीज़ मिले, तो 32 kgs में उसको कितने मिले, 64 रुपीज़ मिले. 32 multiplied by 2, that is 64 rupees. Now find out how much Dinu will pay for 152 kgs of newspaper. Now 8 rupees is for newspaper. What is the cost of newspaper? It is 8 rupees. So 8 is 8 into 100, that is your 800. अब इन्होंने कैसे मल्टीप्लिकेशन किया है, जैसे कि 152 है तो 100 प्लस 50 प्लस 2. 1 टेंस 100 को सेपरेट किया, 152 लाइक दिस, 100 प्लस 50 प्लस 2, और 8 एज इट इज ही है. 8 मल्टीप्लाई 100 से करेंगे, देन 8 को 80 से करेंगे, 50 से करेंगे, और 8 को 2 से करेंगे. तो 800 प्लस 400 प्लस 16. तो यहाँ पर टोटल करेंगे, देन वी ऐड ऑल द नंबर्स. 800 400 प्लस 16, दैट इज 1216 रुपीज़ शी विल गेट फॉर selling the 152 kgs of newspaper. Now in this box what is given is 8 into 100 is 800. So the answer is more than 800. Is the answer less than 1000? How did you guess? Now the answer is not less than 1000. Answer is more than 1000. So what you are going to write? more. तो लेस देन 1000 नहीं है, मोर देन 1000 है. और हमने ऐसे निकाला 1216 रुपीज़. अब उसने जो न्यूज़पेपर लिए थे, सो फॉर 152 kgs ऑफ न्यूज़पेपर किरण विल गेट 1216 रुपीज़. दिस अमाउंट दीनू इज गोइंग टू पे टू किरण. लेकिन अभी I bought 1 kg of newspaper for 7 but I sold it at 8 rupees. अब एक जो है किरण ने कितने रुपीज़ में लिया था जंक कलेक्टर से, 7 रुपीज़ में उसने लिया था और उसने 8 रुपीज़ में उसने बेचा. तो हाउ मच मनी डिड आई गेट बाय सेलिंग 152 kgs of newspaper. सबसे पहले हमने क्या फाइंड आउट किया कि हाउ मच मनी इज अर्न बाय सेलिंग 1 kgs of newspaper. दैट इज 8 minus 7 is equal to ₹1. तो 1 rupee is earned by selling 1 kg of newspaper. So 152 kgs of newspaper अगर सेल किया तो हाउ मच मनी is earned, that is 152 rupees. That means per kg 1 rupees. So 152 rupees for 152 kgs. Now, how much Dinu is going to pay for the brass? How much money Dinu will pay for 4 kgs of brass? Now, brass के जो cost है वो Dinu का cost कितना है brass का? It is 200. Brass is 280 rupees. Now, the cost of brass that Dinu is going to purchase is 280 rupees for 1 kg. So, for 4 kgs, it will be how much? 280 multiplied by 4, that is 1120 rupees. Dinu is going to pay for 4 kgs of brass. Now, dear children, today we will end up on page number 66. Next turn, we'll take the 2 more pages that are there. And there are certain multiplication sums also that we have to calculate as we have done in the workbook. The same way we have to do it, these sums in the notebook also. So, dear children, what you have to do it in notebook, मैं आपको बता दूँ आपको notebook में क्या करना है. एक तो दिस वन दैट आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू, दिस यू हैव टू डू इट इन योर नोटबुक वन टाइम, शोइंग द मेथड ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन. ऐसे जैसे मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं नॉर्मली वैसे आप मल्टीप्लिकेशन करेंगे इसमें. और उसके बाद ये वाला जो पूरा है लिस्ट वाला, दिस होल यू विल डू, फाइंड आउट, यू विल डू दिस, then you will do this A, B, C and D. All the questions that I have ticked marked, that you have to do it in your notebook also one time. So dear children, till we meet on the next turn, till then bye bye and have a nice day ahead. Along with this, doing these sums, you will also have to write the tables of 7 and 8 in your notebook one time. Page number 67 are the first guess and write the answer and then calculate. These are your multiplication sums as I told you that you have to do in the notebook, and this you have to do in this form as I have done in the paper. I will show you how to do this sum. Now, first is your 37 multiplied by 18. So, you have to draw that box and then you have to draw 37 like this. I'll show you. This you have to do it in your notebook one time. 37 multiplied by 18. Break 37 to 30 plus 7 and 8 into 18 into 10 plus 8. So, draw the box like this. 30 plus 7 and 10 and 8. We have done these type of sums in the workbook. I have already explained that first multiply 30 by 10 and then 7 by 10 and then by 8 by 30 and then 7 by 8. So you have to add the answers and you will get the answer as 666. Same way 45 multiplied by 24. 40, break 45 into 40 plus 5 and 24 into 20 plus 4. Make a box like this, 40 into 20, 40 and 5 and here 20 and 4. First multiply the numbers by this 40 into 20 and 20 into 5, then 40 into 4 and 5 into 4. Multiply 45 by both 20 and 4 and then add the answers, you will get 932. So this way you have to do the multiplication sums in your notebook one time. Now the remaining is fill my diary. Now dear children, here the notes are not clearly visible, so I am not doing it because the things are here. I can see it is, the answers are written here. So money I got 600, that means this is the 6 notes of 100. Now 8, then next is your 3 notes of 50. This will be I think 50 rupees. So this is 50 rupees. So 3 notes of 50 is your 150 rupees. Then it is your 140 rupees. 7 notes of 20 होगा तो ये 107 into 20 is equal to 140 rupees हो गया. Then 4 coins है 1 rupee का तो ये 4 coins हो गया. Now it's your 60 and 40, that is like 6 notes of, I think this is 10 rupees. 6 notes of 10 rupees will be rupees 60 and then 40 is left. Then 8 notes of 5. ये 8 notes of 5 हो जाएगा तो 8 5s are 40 rupees. So this whole total is given like this: 600, then 150, then 140, then 60, then 40 and then 4. The total amount comes out to 994 rupees. 994 rupees minus 841, that is 153 rupees. Now what is given here is, in fill my diary it is given that Kiran bought some junk from the junk collector. She paid 841 rupees. Now as you all know that Kiran used to collect the junk from the junk collectors. One day she collected the junk of 841 rupees. That means she when she bought that junk from the collectors, she gave them 841 rupees. And now then she sold this same junk to another big shopper, that is Dinu, and who gave rupees 994 for the same junk. So this is how how these are the notes or the denominations of the notes that she got. ये इतने जो उसने 994 रुपीज़ जो दिए उसको इस तरीके से दिए कि 100 के इतने नोट थे, देन 20 रुपीज़ के 7 नोट्स थे, 5 रुपीज़ के 8 नोट्स थे, 1 rupee coins थे 4, then 5 notes, 3 notes of rupees 50 were there, and 6 notes of rupees 10 were there. So this was the amount, this was the way the Dinu paid money to the Kiran. Now on this basis we have to find out how much total money was paid by the Dinu. That was 994 rupees, and she gave 841 rupees. That means she had saved the money, or the money earned by her, not saved but money earned or the profit earned by her on saving or on selling that junk was 153 rupees. So Kiran on one transaction of selling the junk, she got 153 rupees as the profit. Now same way on page number 68 are also some sums that are given here. Now here you have to make your diary and you have to write the same way as it is written here. But in my book it is very light, it has been, it is too light to find out that which denomination notes are there. I could just make out this is 100 rupee note and this is 50 rupee note. Now what is here? Later she paid rupees 919 to the junk collector when she sold the junk. She got these notes and coins from the Dinu. Now next time when she collected the junk, she gave 919 rupees to the junk collectors, and when she sold this same junk to Dinu, she got these denominations of note that we have to find out and prepare the diary like this as it is prepared. So money I paid, here I will just write it, then you have to, if you can see these denominations then you can do it on your own, but in my book it is not clearly visible, so I am not doing it, but I'll just write money I paid. I just write and tell you money I paid, that is 919 rupees, 919 rupees, and money I earned money I earned. Now here you have to start with a 100 rupee note, that is 500 rupees, and I think coin of 1 rupees is 28 rupees का coin है ये 50 पैसे के, 1 note of rupees 50, that is rupees 50. उसके बाद 18 notes of I think ये 10 rupees होना चाहिए, और 9 notes of rupees 20 I think it is. Let me look at the back. Yes, this is 20 rupees note. तो ये 9 into 20, that is 180 rupees. 18 notes of rupees 10 I think is 180 rupees. ये 50 का नोट है, तो ये 1 नोट है 50 रुपीज़ का आई थिंक, तो ये 50 हो गया, और ये 500, देन 180, 680, 780 plus 80, that is 960, and 50. Now you can write like this. If there are some changes you can make it. Eight plus 8 16, 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23, 3 carry 2, 5 6 7 8 9. So 938 rupees is that she earned. 938 rupees she got from Dinu. So money earned is equal to 938 minus 919. So 18 minus 9 is 9, 2 minus, that is 19 rupees she earned on this transaction. She earned rupees 19. Now dear children, all this you have to do it in your, if you can see these notes in your textbook properly, then you do this also in your notebook one time, both the diaries, so that you can get the practice of calculating the notes like this, number of notes and the denomination of notes. What is the meaning of denominations? Means ye kitne ka note hai ek, that is the denomination of the notes. So dear children, with this we come to the end of this lesson number 6, that is the junk seller. Next time we'll start the new lesson. Till then, bye bye and have a nice day.